What is up, guys? This is part 3 of the Sons of the Forest. Let's get straight into it. So this episode, I'm sorry, but I have to watch a video on this. I'm getting the pistol today, so I can actually defend myself. Part 2, I'm pretty sure just released. I just posted it today since I just got CapCut Pro. Shout out CapCut. CapCut. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, so apparently I have to get out my GPS. And I have to, how do I go over there? I have to go to where the north is facing right now. So like, I have to go completely straight, which is very far away. So, let's get straight to it. Wait, before I have to finish this dang bed. I forgot about that bed. Well, epic montage, a fast montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we have enough to make the bed. It's not really a cool bed, but yeah. But first, I'm gonna eat a couple of blueberries. These get your thirst up and your hunger up, which is very, very sick. Why did I say that? Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so open. There we go. I'm gonna save my game real quick. I'm just gonna overwrite this one, I don't really care. What time is it? Is it sleepy time? It's almost sleepy time. So, yeah. What should I do while I wait? Say hi to Kevin. Oh yeah, so I can actually ask Kevin to do stuff now. I did not know that. So, maintain base, take a break, clear, take clothing on. Oh, it does set off. Follow me, get, build. I can like, and finish build was one of them. And then you can like just go get me fish, because I need that, and give to me. Okay, well, I go build a fire. Alright, then keep this out. And Kelvin. Did I call him Kevin? Who's that? Hey. What the flip was that? Holy shoot. What the flip? Okay, I'm gonna go to bed and then go find that gun and explore. What the flip was that? Was that like a monster? It's so creepy. I hope it's friendly. I hope it's friendly. Because if I don't want to get tied up again. Alright, so now that I can actually see, where did that thing go? It had like a clothing on, kinda. Alright, I'm gonna explore that when I get the gun. Alright, we got a lot of places to go. I'm pretty sure it's marked on the map as the purple location. So, I actually have a weapon now, so that's pretty good. Alright, and I'm gonna fast forward this. Alright guys, we are at the beach. I'm pretty sure that, where the tip of my spear is pointing, that is where I'm supposed to go. Alright, I'm probably gonna build a shelter real quick. Alright guys, we made the shelter, so I'm gonna save my game and then we're gonna go over there. Alright, now I'm gonna fast forward this part, it's probably gonna take a while. Bruh, so this is like crazy. What is circling around this? It's a shark. Jesus, bro, I just shot like a gun, bro. I literally just shot a gun. I literally just shot a freaking gun. In a forest game. Alright, there's flares. Ooh, yummy. How much health will that give me? I need health. Take bandages, medicine. Do I have any medicine? No, wait. Well, got this. We got more, bro, I hate that shark. And what is this? Ooh, GPS locator. That's cool. Alright. Alright guys. Sorry, my mic was going. We are back and we still have a pistol and I got some more ammo. And we made it back safely and I got a flippin' radio, bro. Come on, bro. That's like super, bro. Come on. Anyway, yeah, this is all the stuff I got. I also got money and feathers, and batteries, and all this stuff. And cooking pot, which is gonna be really useful. And a GPS tracker. And zipline ropes. I don't know why there would be zipline ropes. And tarp. So that's going to be the end of the video, and, wait, bye-bye.